Shirili Panit wuivang zat kasa MST person security personnel or short inquiry committee semaira. Mizoram na India we carry fully literate state ngasaira. Like Yangathor, Tangkhul Express Pvt we Wungramphi Ngalung in a dalei, Amei sign Ngalung. Ukhrul District Digitalised Kasa MST Bursary Security Personnel Watch Wuivang Inquiry Committee Semaira. Manipur State Transport MST Bus Aka Kwatapi Checkpoint Ngalemdi Security Personnel na Naga Bus Chiwim Mangali Aming Gaga Manipur Gachi Tuiji Sakam Kawai Hangauji. Bus Tarik Makatang Shirili Panit Kazan Kawai Baumiping ni Pungzat Kasana. Ochua na Baumiping Ordinarut Jihoda Infal Hanungawa. Shokahai to effect circumstances Pashok Kawai, Manipur Governor na Inquiry Committee Semaira Gachi Ayatan Baumishoka. Inquiry Committee Jili Manipuri Home Commissioner N. Ashok Kumar, Kala IT Secretary TH Giran Kumar Singh Ani Zanga. Kashwai Legahai yang sang mida kanao kanali mushokri kawai committee jina kapha pekar suggest saraji. Inquiry committee jina take a query report zimiksho strada pangatang Ngalung di misangra dahanga. Shiri lili panit atam hili kaung kawali kahap mamaya mara Tangkhul na Ngalung na ngawawaira. Shiri lili panit wuivang okrul enroad Shiri kakawai NH 202 li kazatli passenger or tourist bingwi free movement li shekakut mamaya marata TNL shataira. Kahab shekakut layaka yang shat nada queer gaji hangaira. Okti kangurumi amaha kangsa koka kasali saikorali katom mikhavai long range na kasataira. Katam kashuri pekar kakwili Ngachan Gabai, Sakachite, Mizoram, the fully literate state sada declare Samir. Wuivang Ringapa, Mutut Angaranangaye, Mizoram University Limion the Pauji, Chief Minister Lal Dohamana, Chishat Mia. Angaranangaye, Chile Union Minister of State for Education, Jayan Jotri Vazanga. Fully literate state Kangasahi, Mizo Saikoro Wuivang, Maikaya, Nada, CM Nalduhomana Hanga. Kadam Gashuri Pekar, Kargo Kuiji, Kamayoni and Soda, digital literacy, financial awareness, Kala, entrepreneurs skills matamings, Kawai Saki Kachina, the Chief Minister Jin Hanga. Union Minister Jayan Jodri Mizoram, Chief Mandi Masot Mida, Pekar Kargo Kuihi, Yarizai Runa, Hotnara community effort Kala, visionary Katanwi, Manga, eina Ragshokna, the Hanga. 2011 census issued Mizoram literacy rate 91.33% leisada. State national wigotumali zangsai. Chile pacing with the Mizoram state na comprehensive literacy drive sawa. Maleilak high literacy drive ULLAS understanding of lifelong learning for all in society. Koho initiative kala. Naf Bharat Shakshada Karan Yam Azingdi Kasana. Ring Zagzag Kachi survey Kala Teda project Mangaina authorities na state chui non literate me tingatumda Makuda Taruk Machut Kuya. Chewing a jali tinga shatruk hungjugo the kanina dam kuiga by potential learners sada tekuyaji. Mizoram literacy campaign jili voluntary educators shagani hungjugo the kanina share kuya. Chile should me being now being community resource coordinators the zang the ordinarut queer. Mizoram the fully literate state Kangasahi Yarina Katom Kami grassroots mobilization Kala Katam Gashina Kangaji Quira Kashabli Koka Sada Shitkasangina Sampang Samgapangna the senior education officials Nahanga. Mizoram literacy campaign J state katain 100% literacy Sambangavai Shurikabai Sada Kuidale.
Yang
Manipur Tourism Ukrul District Sports Association UTAC in a Makok Kami 6A side football tournament Kushong Timra 1 Cup Kangareo Alung Zangbokai Tournament Ukrul Lanaitang Ramushim Turf Crown Di Rumi Dalei Ngahan Jili Manipur District at the way na team Tradat Shuk na show Kuya United Brother FC Avengers Northeastern Sporting Unit NESU Ukrul FC, Foji FC, Bulls United Tamenglong, Iconic Sporting Club, The Wonders FC, Ukrul Rising FC, Northeast Regional Athletic Union NERU, Changwei FC, Nungsai Chiru Youth Welfare Organization NCYWO, Rahi United FC, Dabongja FC, Riva Brother Football Academy, Kala Jandel Football Friends Hiping Hi Gahanjili Zangdale. Tarik Makutang, Haukapok match the United Brother FC and FC Avengers Ngariota, United Brother FC na Langai Kani, Avengers FC na Langai Tradaka, Kakanya Li Ukrul Rising FC na Tradakani, NERAU na Langai Kani, Kutuma match li NUSU na Langai Ako, Ukrul FC na Langai Tradakutum, Kamate match li Changwei FC na Langai Kutum, NCYWO na Truk Zanga. Ayawi match li Foji FC na Langai Taruk, Bulls United na Chit, Rahi United FC na Langai Taruk, Dabongja FC na Kani, Iconic Sporting Club na Langai Kutum, The Wonders FC na Panga, Riva Brother FA na Kutum, Chandel Football Friends na Langai Kani Zanga. Ayawi na Ungzangda Khalei, Bulls United Twin Manager, Baulangai Orium na Ukruli Kala. Kaka awi ring pa maram kahang.
First of all, I give a Poland guy on company. I know Bulls United ki manager oibni. Aduga Watermelon district represent oibni. Adu asigi ukroda labakanda ako si yamnungai bi pawe. Krigra haide ako team na base ngamningai su lakpani. I give players simbusu I thajaye aduga football bring friendship haibagi. Moto da akhoi lakchabani haibudu aina haininge adu lamsu phujaye mi sungsu yamna phajana treat tawe adu miyamse khulsu lakpio adu ka sanabusu mathangta hena koi football player India gi phabo football player puthok jani miyam hotna se haibudu ai janing thank you
Kanjude ngahanji makok me maramli Ukrul District Sports Association's member nakahang.
I'm Kwimi Aungshi, organizers of the Kashong Timrawan 6-a-side football tournament. We are organizing this tournament to promote football as well as to promote brotherhood and friendship within the states. 16 teams from all over the states are participating in this particular tournament. The prizes for the winner team is 1 lakh and the runner-up will walk away with a prize of 75,000, and we will be giving 10,000 each to all the participating teams.
5th State Level Shuri Lili Festival with Akaya Akasada Rungkami Kushong Timra 1 Cup with final match Tarik Magada Matitang Ngoriora. Kushong Timra 1 Cup title Kayui Shili Saman Luba Laka Kamira. First runner-up li Ting Hangshi the Pangamira. Semi-final league Zang Team Kanili Luba Ting Magada Pangari Mira. Individuals Saman Dalei. Chili Mata Makeup Kachi goalkeeper player kala top scorer le saman luba ting pangari mira. Ngahan jili ka zang team zaikor li luba ting magari mira da makok me na pao mi shoka. Shuri lili panidli kazang kawai zat kasa pao me bing security forces na kahab. Ochot Shokahai Witili Ukrul District Working Journalist Association UTWJA na Maringapa kala Ninga Creek Pongshok da journalist team li nga ning room da kale Pongshok kaira. Daik makatang panit wuivang Ukrul District kawik da zat kasa baume bing jali Mahar Regiment na kahab lay hauda baume bing wi ot nga root li kahab Freedom of Press li sa kazaji UTWJA na condemn kasa Pongshok. Panichiwi Pau Kwikami Bing Wuivang UTWJA na Kabi Kapam Ngaran Mida Tarik Makatang Jila Directorate of Informations and Public Relations wi Staff Kala Journalism Makawi Ngaran Mi Hairasaya Ka Kwatapi Checkpoint wi na makan bai to the media tim shong zaje cancel sa hawa gji hanga authorities kipa karunu pawe being key community karwirunu freedom of the press li kahab otsakji mamayamana da UTWG eina ngawai press freedom li shake khut pawe being we mushun li mutung makan kasa bing jui tung li kathaka action khui mikhavai chikatha ochochi mushong sak li khawai UTWG eina authorities li bo haira Manipur to short wirot kamarat shokahai maramli pashok kawai ot ngarut chizan kahai inquiry commissions the Union Ministry of Home Affairs na atam kasay sang mehra. Member Nathum commissions of inquiry jina Manipur violence investigates other report misang ran ngajina. Wuivang atam kasay sang mida commission jui report misang kawai ajukum ngapay tarik makay na tangda mihira. Itum na tebay. Inquiry commission juli kachang Taruk atam kasay sang kami hina kamate ng saya. Commission G 2023 makudari katum tang haukapokna. Commission G former Chief Justice of the Guwahati High Court Ajay Lambana Thand retired IAS officer Himansu Shekhardas Kala retired IPS officer Aloka Brapakar Zanga. Haukapokli banal jina pagshok report kachang Tarukya lungdi misang kawai hangay rasaya kajuwi atam sang mirashung maira Ministry of Home Affairs na mikishok at issue the commission jina Manipur wirat kamarat kon bazar katada shock kala katada ngayaw haw communities ngatatay dalirin lika violence gala riots shock highway prop saki kachina Violence rakashok chika juwena kathata rakashok authorities la mi kachikatana saran makasali hawla kala rat kamarat kam gawai administrative pekar mapung pada kakui makakui hikatahi inquiry jina pashok ke gachina Manipur wi maram hili mi kala associations na complain misang haida khalei la kapian khalei jila commissions jina yangsang baya Nishari Lake Saling Sunda Manipur Police Special Cell na Uttar Pradesh Shinawakali to create. Shinabavu Jina high quality heroin 1.557 kg pungsat sayaji. Ariji International Market Liluba Crore Trashika Karat Hanga. Manipur Police with anti-truck unit power issue Shinabavuji Shamin Bano Zingum Hangmadi Truk Barau Malik Para Bangi Uttar Pradesh Mina. Kala ahi interstate narcotics trafficking network li zangaji. Syndicate chi Myanmar wi in India le heroin phungzang ot sagasaya da hanga. Kala chi Manipur wi eina khizang laga Assam, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh kala Delhi rashungda miwa maron ra da hanga. Intelligence input sambang the special cell jina infalshong target operation kawali Shamint Panolin North Assam welcome Beni Ngalem Imphal West District to Kukwina. Ana singzat kasa heroin powder 1.557 kilograms, mobile phone, Aadhaar card, Pakatum, Lupana, Tinga, Shamati authorities na Khmer. Churi case narcotic drug and psychotropic substance ek azing ni zetra. Tukui gahay migala water Benji police station li misangaira. Sanabadi district li opium phungzat kasa miyakali police na tukuera. Roman rai go zingum magada akhana opium kilogram kani bungzat kasa anti-drug operation li pakwi gahaina. Ana singzat kasa nishari two-wheeler kala mobile phone khimera. Operation jishok ting Central Security Forces Sanabadi district police kala Manipur police anti-drug unit na kavana. Tukui Kahai Roman Raji, Gorkha Harup Irang Part 2, Tujang Waichong Wi Mina. Ali Senabadi Nepali Village, Senabadi Tonglang Road Li to Kukwina. Tukui Kahai OPMG local Lenganong Nilubat Ting Hangmati Shikawi Mandra the Hanga. Raina police the Hangapat at the show the OPMG Manipur Lirit Pomwi in a Kwilaga, stayed with Zingsho Shong Khalei, cliently your Sangita Lake Sana. Tukui Kahai Mikala what European police custody later hanga. Indian Army Assam Rifles kala civil police na anti-social elements li khungsung operations at the Churachandpur Shong temporary shelter cum training camp Pakrier. Godhal village pang hongli anti-social element zata legji paushada joint team jena shock operation kavana. Security forces karagate in a suspected cookie zo militants being Yamawa ka atumi kutlaya pam jelino tahawaji. Atum na shijinbai kasa shelter come training camp security forces na sakayang miher. Operation Jiwi follow up tribe sada bungutum shiga zadaji. Chili pakukui kutlai magazine kazang. Escape leaper rifle. Country made mortars. Medium-sized mortar round or pump, local SAM rocket pump, Boeing 303 cases achon tradit shit, 5.56 mm empty case, tear smoke shell soft nose, tear gas hand grenade, bulletproof plates, tactical vest, wireless set, 12-pour cartridge belt, hikatahi zangsayaji. The tuitaji kamdaya baubing. Shuri Lili Panit Wuivang zat kasa MST person and security personnel or short inquiry committee Semaira. Mizoram na India we carry fully literate state Masaira. Achu bau hiling changairo, bau na the clintum saikorali ring pagla kamahaya zim show Musasero.